Hey guys, it's Sophie and today I'm going to be opening this Shopkins Season 2 12 pack. So let's get started, and I really love the packaging on this, it's so cute, and it has the special edition fluffy baby Shopkins inside, and I think they're just so fluffy. So let's get into the opening. Try not to wreck the packaging so much. And it does have on the back all the not all of them, but some of them that you can get. Some of the Shopkins that you can get. I think they're cute. And hard to open. Here we go. Okay, so let's open this up. I'm going to set that one aside. Okay, checklist is there. Okay, so I'm going to get started. The first, and it does come with a checklist, so, and I pretty much know all the names. The first one we have is Silly Chili, and she's so cute, and this is like the whole reason I got this pack. Because I just wanted one Silly Chili, because it's just like adorable. So that's her, she's cute. Okay. And then this is a duplicate, Cupcake Chic. He's a rare. And this is also a duplicate, Toffee Coffee, who's a rare. Our foil is also a duplicate, who is a common. Like, I already have a duplicate of this one, so, triplicate. Know how you say it. And then I have Juicy Orange, who is a duplicate. And then I have Wendy Washer, who is a duplicate. And Coffee Drip, who is not a duplicate. I have her in the other colour. She's real cute. Okay, and then this is like the adorable one. I have Yummy Gum. I have her in the other colour, but I absolutely love this colour. And then we have Bun Slipper, who is really cute. Let's set her aside. And then we have our special edition Fluffy Baby Shopkin Dribbles, who is absolutely adorable. So she's cute. Set her aside. Okay, and you get 4 of these squishy purple bags in there. I'm not going to get them out. And then we get our Shopkins shopping basket with our blind mystery ones inside. So let's open them. So the first one we have is an ultra rare crystal glitz, an absolutely cute one. Doesn't have much glitter in it, but it's Lana Lamp, and I absolutely love her. And then our next one we have is, I'm pretty sure it's a duplicate, and I don't think it is, unless it's the other colour, which it probably isn't, and it's a duplicate. My sister. It's my first Fluffy Baby duplicate, and it's Shampoo Sue. Let me show you. But they're different, slightly. In colour, they are different. So basically, she's not a duplicate, and then they have that's coloured in there a little bit more. So yeah, wrong one. That was those. So that was my opening, and let me just show you all the ones I got quickly again. So let me just tell you guys, if you get a pack with Toffee Coffee, Cupcake Chick, Silly Chili, Wendy Washer, Yummy Gum, Our Foil, Juicy Orange, Dribbles, Coffee Drip, and Bun Slipper, you are it's most likely that you will get Lana Lamp and Shampoo Suit in your blind. So, they're all the Shopkins that I got. So, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you all later. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, bye.